What it do? It's the G here. I just wanted to bring a little motivation to you. Today was one of those days where I didn't feel like going to the damn gym. Like, I have been consistent. I've been doing really well. And today was just one of those days I just did not feel like going. Like, something within me, I knew I was going to go, but something within me just didn't have the energy, just didn't have the motivation. But I knew that if I did not go, that I was going to allow myself to just continue to make excuses for why I couldn't go. So I pushed myself to go, and I went anyway. And it's always the best thing ever. It's gym therapy. It's always the best thing ever. I pushed harder than I ever did before, and I just feel so much better than I did when I woke up this morning. So I'm just saying, don't ever get discouraged when there's something that you want to do, something that you're striving to do, and something within you is like, I don't feel like it. Push anyway. Just do it anyway, despite what that voice says. Just push your body to the best that you can to keep going, whatever it's going to take. As for me, what helps me, and I know it's not the best thing, is that I do drink energy drinks. I have energy drinks, but those energy drinks are what gets me to the gym. Those energy drinks, because I have this little thing that I do. I get on my treadmill, I got my energy drink, and I got my water. And so and then I'm just on the treadmill, and the treadmill is not only to warm up my body, but it's to warm up my mind, to get ready for the workout itself. And even if all I do is a treadmill, at least I'm there. At least I step foot into the gym, and I'm doing something. Although I never stop at the treadmill, I always go to the bag, or I go to do some weights. But my thing is just, don't let that voice stop you, because once you allow it to stop you the first time, it's going to continue to stop you every time. So once you push through the first time, you'll push through every time. All right. So that's just my motivation, inspiration that I wanted to give today. Hope y'all having a beautiful day, and I'll talk to y'all later. It's the G.com. We still rocking on, and talk to you later.